निकली ट्राई कर आया उठ के चलो ना वो अय ayo leap of faith Bisa छुपाना पड़ेगा फोन उसे डिस्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा So this is after like 1 month or 1 month से भी ज़्यादा हो गया अभी तो and I have to do home tour बहुत सारा लोग ने बोल रहा था कि home tour करा लो बोल के and I don't have the energy ये realistic वाला home tour होगा क्योंकि I haven't set anything up जैसे है वैसे ही home tour करा रहा है so very messy but this is how it is. Let's do the home tour from outside. Okay guys, so I just want to take this time to thank Skyvik Technologies for sending me such amazing products. They have sent me their smart tripod stand, which I am in love with absolutely, and their MagSafe wallet cum mobile stand. So this is the Skyvik selfie stick tripod stand. It comes with one smart tripod with Bluetooth remote, mobile phone holder attachment, and also GoPro mounting attachment, a desk bag, and a wire. I am honestly so impressed with its build quality. The grip is so sturdy and also it is compact to carry and feels lightweight at the same time. You can mount your phone or GoPro in it, and the good thing is you can switch between the landscape and portrait mode with such an ease. The attachment can rotate 360 degrees and the angle can be set. Look at this, it is so flexible. The wireless remote pairing comes in intact with this, which is good because now my remote will not get misplaced. I really like the adjustable height of this tripod, which is 158 centimeter. Honestly, this makes my shooting process so smooth. You can use it as a tripod and also as a selfie stick. Best of two worlds. If you want it, you can buy it now by using the links in the description below. This is the Skyvik magnetic wallet. It is made up of premium leather and you can mount your phone easily in this magnetic stand, which is very sturdy by the way. Plus you can also hold your card or hotel card in this. This is honestly such a functional product. And I'm not just saying it because the Skyvik Technologies have sent me these products, but I love the tripod. I feel like it will be a really great help for me and also for all the content creators, especially for the budding creators. If you're looking for a new tripod and you don't know which tripod to go for, then I would suggest you to get this and you would love it. Now let's get back to the video. Once you come inside, you will see this door. यहाँ से enter किया था, and then this side is storage. Storage भी नहीं है actually, यहाँ से join होना है. वहाँ पे दूसरा room का और दूसरा room होगा. So अभी तक बना नहीं है वहाँ पे. So for the time being, we are just keeping our stuffs here. If you turn to the right side, this is the area where we have coffee. And यहाँ पे ये अपना food grind कर रहा है. I told you this is going to be so realistic because time नहीं मिलता है अच्छे से setup करके aesthetically करने के लिए. So this is the Buddha that we brought from, भूल गया कहीं में डाल देगा, पर ये store से ही है यहाँ का. This is not from any website. And this is our AC, this is our coffee area. And then coming here, can you please side? होगा हो जाएगा बेच जाओ. So coming to this side, I love this part, लेकिन सिर्फ इसका कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया. So we are going to change this. ये नहीं रहेगा. This will be all large window बोलूँ या door बोलूँ, because this is too large and this is so pretty. पूरा बाहर का नज़ारा दिखता है, बाहर का भी दिखाना है बाद में. ये यहाँ से खुलता भी है. So you'll see the whole view from here. वैसे बहुत ही अच्छा हवा चल रहा है. So we can bring our chairs. यहाँ पे कुछ arrangement कर सकते हैं. We will look what we can do here. So this is how it looks from outside. And अंदर को बाहर लेके आया है, ऐसा टाइप वाला feeling दे रहा है. So all of this stuff, all the curtains we got from ये विनायक से लिया I guess. Even this vanity is from विनायक. ये लड़का तो घर का ही है. This is not a decoration. ये हाची का खेलने वाला है. So this part, this area is also very pretty. My friends and my family, they told me that this area looks so pretty. So this is how it looks. This is glass cube, and here we have clock. And यहाँ पे low rise bed है because हाची का गिरने से बचने के लिए prevention. और ये मेरा friend आया हुआ है आज friendship day, and she brought me flowers. These are real flowers, so pretty, so pretty. So this is how the mess look like. अच्छा से सजाने से बहुत अच्छा होना था, but this is how the whole area looks like. And ये side में side table है. Side table and bed and this lamp, ये सब पेपर फ्राई से है. यहाँ पे एक बड़ा सा टीवी है. We rarely watch TV, बट जब देखता है नेटफ्लिक्स लगा के हो गया, बस यही है. यहाँ से ऐसा दिखता है कुछ. This area looks so pleasing aesthetically. So now, if you guys see here, यहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ अंदर नहीं होगा. But this is a secret door to our closet. This is our closet. Let's turn on all the lights. And यहाँ पे again store room है पूरा. Store room भी नहीं, store space है. So यहाँ पे अभी के लिए ये सब सामान रखा हुआ है क्योंकि हम लोगों का घर अभी तक बन रहा है and only room बना हुआ है. So and this is the closet. ये variant is ऐसा कुछ था, वहीं से लिया. This was too fucking expensive. Oh, sorry, this was too expensive. But I think this will go on for years and years. That's what the company claims to. This is my area, my husband's, my son's, and यहाँ पे पूरा mixed up है. कपड़े वपड़े रख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. And this is very functional area. This is our area where we do all the washing. And यहाँ पे कुछ bags भी रखा हुआ है. Cleaning के लिए सामान है, हच्चे का baby wipes है. We can fill this with stuffs. And this is where we hang our clothes and पूरा खराब हुई है. And then this is the washing machine that we use. ये बहुत चलता है हम लोग यहाँ में. So thank you very much for being here. And this area is where we dry all our clothes. बाहर में नहीं है जगह अभी के लिए, so we dry our clothes here. And यहाँ इसको खोल देते हैं तो sun rays अंदर आ जाते हैं, so we can open this up. ये वैसे नहीं दिखता है बाहर से. So this is the area where I do all the coffee making. And हाचे का यहाँ पे मिल्क भी बनता है. खाना होगा तो खाना को पीस के उसको देता है. यहाँ पे फ्रिज है, मिनी फ्रिज. यहाँ पे हाचे का सामान रखते हैं जैसे कि एप्पल्स, फ्रूट्स, एंड ऑल्सो और स्टफ लाइक जूस और ऐसे ही कुछ. जूस तो वैसे इतना नहीं पीता है फिर भी. सो दिस इज द वॉशरूम, बाथरूम. लेट मी टर्न द लाइट्स ऑन. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज माई एरिया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है माई एरिया. वी यूज बोथ ऑफ दिस. ज़्यादातर स्विच करता है, but I mostly use this area. So this is how it looks for both husband and wife. And regular ये जो toilet है, sitting toilet. And then this is something new. This is a sauna, I would say, mini sauna. यहाँ पे steam bath ले सकते हैं. And steam bath वैसे इतना नहीं लेना है महीने, week में only 1 or 2 time you can take. Also we take our shower here. बाहर में shower नहीं होता, यहाँ पे ही होता है. Because as you can see, यहाँ पे पूरा water लगा हुआ. यहाँ से भी पानी निकलता है, यहाँ से भी. And these sides are also for water. Sprinkle होता है basically. And also for the food. We don't use this. We just use the regular shower head and this shower. So यहाँ पे गाना भी बजता है. And Bluetooth, you can connect Bluetooth. And steam bath is so nice here. So this is where we take our steam and take shower. So यही था रूम टूर. सब रूम सेम ही होगा. जो मम्मी पापा का रूम है, आने अबो का रूम, ब्रदर का रूम जो है, सब सेम होगा. Again, coming back to this area, I'm just gonna give you a whole montage right now. Wow, the wind is blowing so hard. But I'm just gonna show you ये बाहर का parts. यहाँ पे सिर्फ carpet grass ही बिछाया है, and this is gonna grow and looks so amazing. And यहाँ पे कुछ trees ये सब भी लगाया. I'll show you. So this was the door, and यहाँ पे कुछ flowers arrangement रखा है. This is done by my husband. This is the outdoor space. We're going to have picnics and stuff like that here. This is not new, this is added. 1 week ऐसा तो हो ही गया इसमें, and this is finally starting to settle and अच्छा से grow हो रहा है. And these are the trees my husband brought. ये बहुत ही सुंदर दिखने वाला है पूरा final हो जाने के बाद. This will take 10 years to grow to a full bloom tree, but this is how it looks. Hache will enjoy a lot. I love the shade, by the way. यहाँ पे जो shade गिरता है looks so perfect. Coming to this side, after 1 day, कल रात को ही किया था ये सब arrangement है, and this was the repurposed tiles that we are using. So this is how it will look like. And again here यहाँ पे भी carpet grass डलने वाला है. This will be so pretty. पूरा carpet grass ये सब डल लेने के बाद. I wanted to do a very aesthetically pleasing room tour, but this was not possible. This is the most that I could do. Timing में बहुत problem हो जाता है, so. 오빠. 지. 야. 오빠 진짜다. क्या बोला था?